Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Grand Cherokee. This vehicle is powered by a two-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 8-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats. Inside you'll find navigation system, heated steering wheel, security system, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, leather shift knob, driver vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.